We're looking at what is next after a law requiring the Ten Commandments in Texas public school classrooms survived a key court challenge. After a months-long legal battle, the U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled the Texas law is legal. Thanks for joining us. I'm Daniel Marin.
And I'm Jennifer Sanders. The decision effectively overturns a case from decades ago that barred Ten Commandments posters from public schools. State Capitol correspondent Adam Schwager looks ahead.
To understand Tuesday's ruling, we go back to 1980. That's when the U.S. Supreme Court rejected a Kentucky law requiring the Ten Commandments in public classrooms. The court ruled Kentucky's law failed something called the Lemon Test.
Under the so-called Lemon Test, there could not be this sort of entanglement between religion and government.
However, in a separate case in 2022,
the Supreme Court reversed the Lemon precedent.
So the Fifth Circuit took a fresh look at the constitutionality of classroom Ten Commandment laws, saying this law does not establish a state religion or restrict the freedom of religious expression. For Texas Values, a conservative group promoting Judeo-Christian values, this decision is a welcome one.
They learn what a concept of justice is, what a concept of equity is. That's all found in the Ten Commandments.
They've also been working with the group Restore American Schools to mass donate these posters. And while some school districts waited for the court's ruling, Texas Values' Jonathan Covey says,
now we have a clear decision, a clear mandate from the Fifth Circuit.
But Houston area Rabbi David Siegel, whose organization Baptist Joint Committee for Religious Liberty filed an amicus in the case, is disappointed with the decision.
It upholds the state's decision to act in place of religious institutions, which is to say, choosing which scripture should be in front of children.
While the Ten Commandments will be on display in Texas classrooms for now, the final say will likely come from Washington, D.C.
There is a close to 100% chance the U.S. Supreme Court takes this case, so I think we will see an appeal very soon and maybe an argument sometime next fall.
In Austin, I'm Adam Schwager.
And Tuesday's ruling did not address two other lawsuits challenging the Texas Ten Commandments law. Those cases are still pending in the courts.
And going in depth, just this week, the Supreme Court agreed to hear arguments in a case out of Colorado. Catholic preschools there say that the state is unfairly keeping them out of a taxpayer-funded program because they will not comply with the state's non-discrimination rules. Those rules include a requirement to admit children from LGBTQ+ families in order to take part in the program. The preschools argue their religious rights are being violated. Colorado officials say any school can participate as long as it follows non-discrimination laws. Arguments are expected this fall.